Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanali. Now we are the discussion topic how to analyze canonical correspondence analysis CCA in RStudio. So what is the canonical correspondence analysis? Canonical correspondence analysis CCA is a multivariate statistical technique used to explore the relationship between the biological species and their environmental factors. It is commonly used in ecological studies to understand how species distributions are influenced by gradient in environmental variables. The environmental variables example for pH, temperature and dissolved oxygen in our dataset. CCA combines ordinations ranging the species and site along the axis with regressions assessing species environmental relationship. Unlike other methods, CCA assumes that species have a unimodal response to environmental gradient, meaning that species abundance peak at specific environmental condition. So the key features and applications of CCA. Key features: direct gradient analysis. CCA directly related species data to environmental variables. Ordinations organize species and environmental data into a two-dimensional space for better visualization. Species environmental interactions help identify which environmental factors are most strongly associated with certain species. And application for CCA used to analyze species distributions patterns based on environmental data in community ecology. Common in biodiversity studies, conservation planning and to identify the key environmental drivers. CCA adds in managing ecosystems by understanding how species respond to changing environmentals. So analyzing canonical correspondence analysis CCA in R. The canonical correspondence analysis is a multivariate method used to explore the relationship between the species and environmental variables. In R, the wagon package provides a tool for perform CCA, making it widely used in ecological and environmental research. The key step for CCA, they prepare the data set, separate the species abundance data and environmental data. So we take the two different Excel sheet data set. The first one data set for the species abundance data. We take the total the 5 places and 10 different species collected for the species. This is for the species abundance data in separate file for the species abundance data and environmental data. So the second one file for the environmental data in CCA, the pH, temperature and dissolved oxygen. So the two data set used for the analyzing in R for canonical correspondence analysis. Let's go to the RStudio. So okay, open the RStudio software. First we imported for the our data file species abundance data and environmental variable data. So go to the import dataset options and select for the from Excel file. So click to the browse button, open the file direct locations and selected for the species data. Okay, we take the species data import in RStudio. So the first is the species data imported. Next one data imported for the environmental data. So same method for the import data set from Excel. Click to the browse file and select to the environmental data. Then click open and import. So the two data file imported for the RStudio. Next one for the coding file. So I add to the already enter to the coding file CCA code, then open. So okay. Now analyzed for the Canonical Correspondence Analysis in RStudio. So used to enter the command for the console sections. So first of all, install for the wagon package. The one of the important packages for the environmental parameter analysis for ecological studies. So enter the command install the package in wagon. Install the package wagon. Control enter. So installed the packages for the wagon. Next add to the wagon packages in the our RStudio. So library, add to the command for the library in wagon. Okay, added active for the wagon packages in RStudio. Next one command for the enter to the already we imported for the data file. So this is for our imported in the RStudio. First one for the species data, next one for the environmental data. So next enter to the command for the species data. Species data less than hyphen the data frame under the enter to our file name for the species data. So first add to the species data. Enter. So next one command for the environmental data added. Environmental data frame, add to the our file name for the this is our file name environmental data, env_data. Okay, next for enter the command for CCA result. So enter the command CCA result. CCA, open the bracket, add to the first add to our species data. So enter the command species data, comma, next one data added for the environmental data, env_environmental data. Okay, now the enter command for the summary for the canonical correspondence analysis, the result of the CCA. Summary CCA result. Okay, this is to output of the result in the CCA. So called for the CCA, X is species data and Y is environmental data. So this is for the data set in output for the value in the RStudio for canonical correspondence analysis. So this is a eigenvalue and explain cumulative prepresence value CCA1, CCA2 and CCA3. So next one for the draw a graph for the canonical correspondence analysis in RStudio. So add to this command the plot CCA result, comma scaling species. Okay, the draw for the graph, click the zoom button and view on our graph. So this is for the canonical correspondence analysis graph, draw for the RStudio software. This is our the site 1, total the 5 site 1, site 2, site 3, site 4 and site 5, and 3 different environmental variable for the our data set, temperature, pH and dissolved oxygens in the blue color, and 10 different species in the red color, the mentioned to the graph. Okay, then next one for the interpretation of this data and graph, I published for the another one video. If you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box, and I upload for the additional detail in the what is canonical correspondence analysis in ecology and how to use it in the biological science, and how to enter the code on the RStudio. For this code for upload for our Blacker page, that link mentioned to the description box, and how to customize for this graph, and font style and the font size change to the font, and color change, another the commands upload for our Blacker page. Watch, please visit to our Blacker page and get the additional detail in the I published for our Blacker. Thank you for watching this video.